Hello. Hi.
So don't judge me.
I literally just laughed my tampon out a bit. Hi guys, my name is Gia Ray. Welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video, so be gentle with me. It's my first time. I'm going to be talking about how to highlight your dreadlocks without having to use any bleach or any form of dye. So if you want to find out how, take a look-see, then stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. I want you to know, this took me so long to make. Mostly because I kept getting distracted. Drunk. Okay, drunk. Fine. I don't know how though.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules and so do I.
You will need your chosen hair, a pair of scissors, a lighter, but guys, disclaimer, don't one up yourself, alright? And don't blame me. Optional hair cuffs, and a shitload of tape. This hair does technically say, do not have anywhere near an open flame, but that's just what I found best. And I do what I want, mum.
Grab your chosen lock to highlight. I chose a short one so I could add length as well as colour. After taking a small section of hair from your pack, divide to desired thickness. You can start wrapping at the root, but due to this lock being quite concealed by locks above it, I took the lazy route and started about halfway down. When you're starting to wrap the fake hair around your lock, start approximately 1 to 2 inches into the fake hair and pull the leave out along the length of your lock. Begin by wrapping above that leave out and gradually wrap your way down, eventually overlapping the leave out. This ensures that the fake hair stays secure for longer.
Work to do. Life's tough enough, so I need to show myself some love.
Continue wrapping anti-clockwise down the rest of your lock.
You and I, no one like me can always please everybody. You and I.
After every few wraps, push the hair up to cover any gaps and to make sure that the hair is tightly wrapped so it doesn't unravel when you get to the end. Repeat this throughout the wrapping process.
On its ability to climb a tree, so don't judge me. Can only try my hardest to be honest. If that's not good enough, then tough. Put my shoes on their feet, but there couldn't be a better.
Because your lock is ending soon, but you'd like to extend it, stop wrapping the fake hair around and let it settle by the side of your lock. The fake hair will now be adding length, acting as the rest of the lock you don't have. Following this, you'll need to grab another small piece of fake hair and repeat the starting method shown earlier where you stopped wrapping. If you're just wrapping to where your lock stops, you only have to do this step when you're running out of hair to wrap with and there's still lock to cover. Wrap above, helping to blend the new wrapping hair with the previous, so there's no sudden difference in shape or thickness.
Just leads to mess, and you promised you would never get so upset. We know where it got us when times were hardest.
If you notice any gaps, push up to cover and continue wrapping down.
I'm proving wrong instead. Lay that shit to rest. Honey, you ain't in no contest.
Keep repeating these steps until you've reached your desired length. Check your new highlighted lock against the length of the rest of your hair to make sure it matches. And once you're happy with it, start the finishing process. Instead of wrapping the hair downwards, away from yourself as we've been doing all along, start wrapping the hair back up the length of the lock towards yourself. If at this point you have too much hair remaining to finish the wrap, you can tape or scissor cut it, shortening it so there's less to wrap. Leave yourself about 5 to 6 inches though, otherwise your wrap will come undone very easily. Do this until you've wrapped every last hair. Grab your lighter and begin singeing the end of the fake hair. Make sure your real hair is nowhere near. Singe and squeeze. Singe and squeeze. Until the hair naturally breaks away. If you notice any lumps and bumps, just cover it with a hair cuff. And there you have it, one lock done. To your right is some footage of me after I'd done this to as many locks I wanted and put my hair in a big bun. This style isn't just limited to blonde, you can use any colour you want, as exhibited here. Purple rain, bish!
Okay guys, congratulations, we've made it to the end of the video. You have won a brand new hairstyle! Hopefully this has been helpful and you'll enjoy doing this yourself. Thank you for watching. I'm not a professional in anything, much to my parents' dismay. Don't see this as like a step-by-step how-to, tried and tested for years and years and years. This is just an experiment that I did, that I found to work for me, and people asked me how I did it, so I figured I'd share it. And it's as simple as that. If you guys fuck up, that's on you. Okay, because I didn't come out with this camera, go to your house and fuck up your hair, okay? Disclaimer. Subscribe to my channel, whichever side it is. I'll learn. For free a month, you could subscribe to a Gia. If you want to follow me on social media, the only platform I'm actually on is Instagram. that's a weird notification sound. Let me try again. Silent. That's the one. No one should leave me alone in a house with a camera because there's so many things I could get into. Wow, chico, is that my pizza at the door? Anyway. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, it's over guys, it's over.
I'll just run you through what I was thinking here. Alright, got this Coney remote, got an autofocus. Wait, did I just take a picture of it? No. Wait, let me try again. Here we go. Okay, I've got this on camera. It's supposed to autofocus. Okay, I've got this now. There we go, autofocus! Not a fucking picture, goddamn. Okay.